Volcanic eruption alert on Spanish Canary Island. Madrid, the regional government of the Spanish Canary Islands of El Hierro, has issued a volcanic eruption alert following almost 10,000 small tremors recorded in the past 3 months. The government posted a yellow alert second level in a scale of 4 Sunday and closed to some hillside roads a tunnel to avoid possible injury by falling rocks. The island's 11,000 residents has been told to monitor communication by the Civil Protection Authority. The island was shaken last Saturday by a 4.3 magnitude quake. Seismic activity began in the area of July 17th. Like all Canary Islands, El Hirreo was formed by volcanic activity and it has some 500 volcanic cones. So maybe this verse in the Bible, and behold I saw a great mountain of fire burning like a lamp cast into the sea. This might be the one. Who knows? But that's a very big mountain if that slides into the ocean, and it will seem like a mountain. It's pretty much 3 times the size of Mount Everest. You also have to think about what's underneath the water. That too produces energy for a tsunami on the east coast. Well, pretty much the entire Atlantic is at risk, but mostly the east coast of the Atlantic seaboard. So you know what that means, people. If this one blows up, you might want to relocate, at least for a while. That's pretty much what I have to say about this. God bless you, and make the right decision. If you hear any news about this one has erupted, it would be a very wise idea to relocate for a while. God bless you.